The Anker Prime TB5 docking station is a powerhouse designed to transform your workspace into a high-performance hub. Whether you're a creative professional, a multitasking entrepreneur, or a tech enthusiast, this 14-in-1 Thunderbolt 5 dock promises to streamline your setup with blazing fast speeds, robust connectivity, and sleek design. It's not just a dock, it's a central command station for your laptop, offering everything from ultra-high-resolution displays to rapid charging, all in one compact package. Let's dive into what makes this docking station exceptional. First, the specs. With Thunderbolt 5 compatibility, it delivers a staggering 120 gigabps max transfer speed, doubling the bandwidth of Thunderbolt 4. This means lightning-fast file transfers, seamless 8K video output, and lag-free connectivity for multiple peripherals. The 140-watt max charging ensures your laptop stays powered up, while the dock handles your other devices. But what really sets it apart is the built-in cooling system, which prevents overheating during intensive tasks, and the ambient lighting that adds a touch of modern flair to your desk. With ports galore, including USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and SD card readers, it's a one-stop solution for all your connectivity needs. In real-world use, the Anker Prime TB5 shines. Imagine editing 8K video while your external drives transfer huge files in the background, all without a hiccup. The dock's stability and speed make it ideal for professionals who demand reliability. The 140-watt charging is a game-changer, especially for power-hungry laptops like the MacBook Pro or high-end Windows machines. The cooling system keeps things running smoothly, even during marathon work sessions. However, there are a few trade-offs. The premium price tag might give budget-conscious buyers pause, and the dock's size, while compact for its capabilities, is still larger than some minimalist alternatives. Compared to rivals like the CalDigit TS4 or OWC Thunderbolt Hub, the Anker Prime TB5 holds its own with superior bandwidth and unique features like ambient lighting and active cooling. While those docks are excellent, Anker's offering pushes the envelope with Thunderbolt 5 readiness, making it more future-proof. To get the most out of this dock, pair it with Thunderbolt 5 compatible devices to fully exploit its speed. Organize your cables to avoid clutter, and take advantage of the multiple display outputs for a productivity-boosting multi-monitor setup. If you're using it in a shared workspace, the ambient lighting isn't just aesthetic, it's a handy indicator of dock activity. Overall, the Anker Prime TB5 docking station is a top-tier choice for professionals and power users who need uncompromising performance. Its cutting-edge specs, thoughtful design, and robust build make it a worthy investment, though casual users might find it overkill. If you're looking to future-proof your setup and crave the best in connectivity, this dock is hard to beat. Thanks for tuning in, and